question number 1. Choose the correct meaning of the idiom in the good books. Option number B, in favor with the boss. 2. Choose the correct meaning of the idiom, turn a deaf ear. Option number B, disregard, ignore, refuse. 3. Choose the correct meaning of the idiom, at one's wit's end. Option number B, puzzled, confused, or perplexed. 4. The green-eyed, the idiom, the green-eyed. Option number A, used as a way of talking about jealousy or envy. 5. How would you interpret the idiom good Samaritan? Interpret the idiom good Samaritan. Option number D, a helpful or kind-hearted person. 6. What does the expression bad blood signify in a relationship between two people? Bad blood, the idiom bad blood. Option number C, angry or hostile feelings. 7. What is the meant by the idiom to go the whole hog? To go the whole hog. Option number C, to do it completely or thoroughly. 8. In the context of employment, what does the idiom laying off mean? Laying off. Option number C, dismissal from jobs due to various reasons. 9. In what situation would someone grease another person's palm? Option number C, when they give someone a bribe. 10. Choose the correct meaning of the idiom, spilling the beans. Option number A, to reveal the information indiscreetly. 11. What does the idiom "went to the winds" mean? Option number C, dissipated, to be utterly lost. 12. The idiom ins and out refers to. Option number B, full details or the complete understanding. What does the idiom a white elephant mean? Option number B, a costly but useless possession. 14. What does the idiom close shave mean? Option number D, a narrow escape. 15. Take with a grain of salt mean. Option number B, to listen to something with considerable doubt. 16. What does the idiom Hobson's choice mean? Option number C, no real choice at all. 17. To eat a humble pie mean. Option number A, to apologize. 18. What does the idiom to give the devil his due mean? Option number B, to give encouragement even to the enemy. 19. Reading between the lines mean. Option number B, looking for meanings that are not actually expressed. 20. What does the idiom an open book mean? Option number C, one that holds no secrets. 21. What does the idiom an axe to grind mean? Option number B, a private interest to serve. To blow one's own trumpet, the idiom to blow one's own trumpet. Option number D, to praise one's own abilities and achievements. 23. What does the idiom standoffish mean? Option number A, indifferent. 24. What does the idiom of no avail mean? Option number C, useless. 25. A bolt from the blue. Option number D is the correct answer. A sudden, unexpected, and unpleasant event. 26. On the verge of. Option number B, on the brink of. 27. What is meant by the idiom a sore point? Option number C, something that causes pain or discomfort. 28. What does the idiom to keep under wraps? Option number B, to keep something a secret. Die in harness mean? To die at one's work. 30. What does the idiom fair weather friend mean? Option number A, a friend who supports you only in good times. 31. What does the idiom cut no ice mean? Option number C, to have no influence. Bring to light. To introduce for discussion. 33. Burn one's boat. To have no means of return. 34. Cannot hold a candle to. Cannot be compared to. 35. What does the idiom to take into account mean? Option number C, to consider. 35. What does the idiom blue-eyed boys mean? Option number C, favorites. 37. A red letter day. Option number A, an important day. Bone to pick. Bone to pick. Bone to pick. Option number C is the correct answer. Cause of quarrel. 39. At stone's throw. Option number B, very near. 40. What does the idiom end in a fiasco mean? Option number B, a total or utter failure.